Heidi ho, neighborino. Welcome back to the garage. Today we're going to be doing some lower grill support, putting the grill in, just mocking some stuff up on the front end, and also checking on those headlight buckets, see how they turned out, and hopefully they turned out well. I mean, they look pretty good. It seems pretty solid, but everything's all bolted in still. So let's take a look-see and see what we got. All right, let's pull up this passenger side bucket and see how she looks. I don't know if you can see that. I know, great videography. Let's get you over to the bench, take a look at it. So it's really awesome about this plate right here, this system, is it ties in this bit and this bit right here. A little bit of JB Weld, a lot of bit of JB Weld, but you can see in here, a lot squeezed out. I wanted to make sure that it was a strong like bull. But it is now a nice, tight, doesn't flex unit. Let's get you angled up here a little bit. So it's a solid unit. I'm assuming that the driver's side will be the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to toss this guy back in the car and get the lower grill support and the grill tossed in and see how she looks. Look at that. Show is good. Starting to look pretty good. So the grill it's all, I don't know if you can tell in here, but it's all broken and I need to JB weld it up. But the intent here was to get this piece in, which is the lower grill support, which ties into the headlight bucket either side. So right there, and then right here ties into that bucket, screws into the top as well. So that secures either end. And then in the middle, this is where the original hood latch went. Down here, there'll be a little dangly bit for you to actually open the latch like that. But I'm just going to do hood pins. I'll be replacing the bumpers with pins to go up through there, through yonder. So all I did was I took the latch out of here and used that to bolt in. You can see where the new bolt's here, tie in the grill. And then I wanted to get the headlight buckets actually bolted in after the little adapter plate thing. And they definitely look better. There's still a gap, and a lot of that has to do with me not doing a good job, I guess. I don't know if you can see that. Let me grab a light, hold on. So you might be able to see that where the screw is coming through, right in there. You see the screw, black bit, red bit. The red bit is actually the headlight bucket here. And it's bumping up against the black piece of the bucket. And I think what I did is when I was fitting the new bracketry, I didn't push it in far enough. So all I'm going to do is I'll just grind that red bit down a little bit right there, just so this sucks in a little bit, right? It's about a 1/4 inch or so. And it's same on that side as well. Let me get a little bit closer. Same issue. But not that big of a deal. I think I'll be able to get that squared away pretty easily. And it's just on the inside corner here. Everything else looks pretty good. I'm generally happy with body fit and all of that. And again, this is not a show car. This is going to be a fun street car that will see some track duties. I have actually told my wife I might just clear coat it as is and just send it instead of actually painting it. She doesn't like the idea. Let me know what you think down in the comments down yonder. I think it's a great idea. I like how it's kind of ugly, but you know, that's above my pay grade. But anyway, go ahead and get this hood closed and take a lean back here. It's starting to look pretty good. Not sure if I'll keep that grill or if I'll go with the GT350 style grill where it's all blank and then the little horse or Mustang, I should say, not just a horse, but down on the right side here with the 3 bars. But anyway, that's it for today. Hopefully, my tripod. Hopefully y'all like the content. If you do, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And that's the Mustang. All right, that's another episode of Joe Likes Things That Are a Little Oddball, but his wife says they're ugly. So I appreciate y'all coming along. Got the grill, lower grill installed. Got the headlight buckets installed. It looks okay. You know, could be better. I need to do a little bit of fiddling around to make sure that it fits appropriately. But I appreciate y'all coming along. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think down in the comments below. Heidi ho, neighborino. Well, Jesus.